Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete history on Life360. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. So if you want to do so, for that purpose, go ahead, open your Life360 app. Open it up. For example, the app is open over here. So if you want to simply remove or delete your history from your Life360 app, then what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this settings icon on top left corner of your mobile phone. Now what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this account option, and now what you will do is tap on this delete account. So the thing is that if you want to delete all of your Life360 history whatsoever, you will have to delete your account totally, because there is no other way or no other option available. This is it. If you go ahead, you can read this article given by 360 as well. You can go ahead, tap on this yes I confirm above, and tap on delete my account. You will be able to delete your account permanently, which will remove all of your history as well. So yes guys, this is the only way around for 360 to delete. This is the only way around for you to delete your account right there in 360 app, Life360 app. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.